was the king of the court, golden boy of the gridiron, superstar of the soccer field. And now, he's in the big leagues. Let's play ball! New movie.
Air Dodger, The Quest for Pody.
This time, it's bigger than the game.
It's for Pody.
And all the clues point to
Dirty
Rocky
Derek.
and his sidekicks. We've got them now. Rocky, get out of the way. Hey, look!
Dodger. Dodger stepping up to the plate.
And saving the day in Air Bud's 7th inning fetch.
In all seriousness, this is Dodger. And why should he be Pet of the Year? Well, because he's not just Pet of the Year. He's the pet of a lifetime, and my kid's lifetime too. He's brought us more joy, happiness, and laughter than any other pet. And even though he's getting older and can't quite do the tricks that he used to, there's still no one else I'd rather have on my team. Out of all the good boys, he's the best boy. Do the right thing and vote Dodger for Pet of the Year.